Course, we're gonna learn about CSS. This is the second course of our website development pathway. So if you have already seen the HTML course, that's great. If not, you will need a little bit of knowledge of HTML. So what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and we'll get back to that word cascading in another video. And so CSS is used to style an HTML elements. So as we have seen in the HTML course, to display different kind of content on the web, you use HTML elements. And now to style those elements to make them look great, you use CSS. So if we come here, we see that we have a single file called website.html. It's an HTML file called website, and it's in this folder called HTML. So if I double click this, and let me actually open this in another window and bring up here. So if I open this, you see we have a single header and a single paragraph. And if we actually, to edit the file, we're going to go to Visual Studio Code. And Visual Studio Code is a free open source, so you can actually download here. Visual Studio Code, it's from Microsoft, and it is really great, and you can download for all kind of platforms. Here, let me open this. Let me open the folder. It's the HTML actual folder. So we're in the right folder. Great. So now, as you can see here, we have the header and the paragraph, and we're gonna use an open server, which is an extension to run this code. Now we can just, every time we change something in here, we can automatically refresh this to get the latest, but that is kind of a hassle, so we're going to use an extension called live server. So we're going to be using this, so you can just download that. If I come back to here, now let me open, I need to select a folder, so it's the folder that I want. Open that folder. Great. And now if I say run, now we're inside the folder, so this will let us run, and boom. So it just opened the identical one, but opening with live server is better, and we'll see what that is. So let me just do this. Great. So these are two, so now we can see our changes. So these are all HTML elements. So what is CSS gonna do for us? Now, every element, or almost all HTML element, have a style attribute that you can then write the CSS code you want to write. So inside here, we're gonna write some CSS code to kind of see how CSS works. So for example, we can change the color to I change it to yellow. If I save that, now it is a yellow. Let's set a background color called purple. Save that. Now it has a background color purple. I want to give a button, and don't worry if you don't know what I'm doing right now. That's where you're going to be learning. Now it has a button, so it's kind of inside. I want to make the text go to the middle, so text align center. If I save that, boom, the text is in the center. Now I want to give a border, border of 2 pixels, solid black. Now it has a border. Actually, I want to make the border green. So now it has a border of green. If you can see that, I can make it like 5 pixels. Boom, now you can see that. Now I can do border radius, pixel, 20 pixels. Move this. If I save that now, right? So you could see how we take a generic HTML element and made it a little box that has a border and looks really good. So this is what we are going to be learning in this course, how to basically take like generic HTML elements and make them look really, really good. So see you in the next video. Bye.